Hello guys, so this is a quick one. It's going to be a quick one. It's not going to last more than 6 minutes. So this is Forex Factory, right? It's a platform that actually shows you basically news, right? Platform that shows you what's news for the upcoming week. Platform that shows you news for the upcoming week. Now as you can see, this is you okay. First thing you need to do is actually you need to create an account with them. You can see I'm logged in Tech Risk. Create an account with them first. Then there are a lot of things we're not supposed to talk about that is here. There is brokers where you can search for various brokers and what they offer. You can see lots of brokers: XM, IG, OctaFX, XNES, IronFX, and some of other ones that are not really here. FX Pro and all of that, right? Then you can see the markets. Now, if you're on EU USD, you can see the charts here. You can see the news, the upcoming events for EU USD here, and the impacts. Now, this filter, let's go to news. Can read the headlines. Can read the headlines for news. A lot of things here if you want to, but I don't usually use all this, right? So now you can see, look at this place now. Don't know if I can zoom it. Breaking news legend. High impact is red, medium impact is orange, and low impact is yellow. So breaking news is defined as the new information that has market moving potentials, right? So these symbols actually tell you like what to expect from the news that is coming out, whether you should expect high impacts, volatility, or medium impact or low impact, right? But it doesn't mean that it's not wrong. But whenever there is red impact news, people say it's best to stay off the market. That's a lie. That's even when you're going to enjoy the best volatility if you know what you're doing. Now you come to calendar. Now calendar shows you a list of basically can see lots of news. This one is for last week, I guess. Let's check for the upcoming week. So tomorrow should be what? Today is 5th. So tomorrow should be 6th. Monday should be 7th. So let's say begin date should be 7th of August to 11th of August. Apply. Then you can see from Monday 7th, I think we don't have much. We have only low impact news. You can see BOJ summary of opinions. August, you can see very low impact. Okay, there's a high impact news on Wednesday. There is CPI for this exotic pair. It doesn't concern us, sha. And then there's also a high impact news for NZD, New Zealand dollar. Then on Thursday, there's a high impact news for USD, CPI, and unemployment claims. Then yeah, just like that. So you can also filter too. If you want to filter more, let's say I want to filter this. So basically, I want you to show me only let's just say I want to remove CNY. I want to remove CHF. Let's say I don't trade these pairs. I want to remove CAD. I want to remove okay, I think no AUD. I think we can leave this one. So then I want you to only show me just show me the medium impact. Okay, let's just say it shows me the red, the yellow, and the orange, right? And then click on apply filter, and it will show you that's relevant news based on those currencies you've chosen. Let's say you don't want to see low impact news, you can also filter it too. You can filter to remove low impact news, then leave only orange and red. Then you apply filter, and you can see only the major news. So we have a major news on Monday, August 7th for USD. FOMC member hacker speaks. Tuesday you have business confidence for AUD. Wednesday there is a high impact news for NZD and USD. Thursday is USD all through CPI. Then Friday there is gross what? GDP is what again? Gross domestic something. I've forgotten the meaning. Economic gross something domestic population or whatever. Then there's PPI, and you know all of those stuffs. So this Forex Factory helps you actually check news. In fact, every Forex trader has this app. You need this app so that you can actually tell when there is a news upcoming. And the app automatically syncs to your Nigerian time. So it tells you in Nigerian time. It tells you like currently now you can see the app is on 4:59. And you can check my time. My time is actually at 5 o'clock. Right? It's at 5 o'clock. My time is at 5 o'clock as well. So basically it's very accurate, and it gives you very accurate timing of everything. So that's just all. That'll be the end of this video. Use the Forex Factory to check news and basically know when there is an upcoming news, and know if you're scared, if you're someone who is scared of trading the news, because there are a lot of things news can do to you. News can make your SLs not to trigger. I think it has happened to Mike before. He set SL, but an FOMCD. That'd be a NFPD. His trade did not trigger the SL and he lost his account. That is why Mike doesn't trade some kind of news. But I trade news. I trade during the news, however I wants to be. Right? So yes. I'll see you guys in the next video.